Pin your way to success. How to make money on Pinterest in 2023. Hello guys, welcome to the realm of Pinterest, where content creators, e-commerce businesses, and bloggers alike can unlock the secret to monetization. If your target customers are on Pinterest, get ready to witness their purchasing power in action. Surprising demographic data reveals that a whopping 45% of affluent adults in the US with a household income over $100,000 per year are active on this platform of endless possibilities. And here's the cherry on top. A staggering 83% of Pinterest users make purchases based on what they see. So how can you transform your Pinterest presence into a lucrative revenue stream? By building an engaged following, creating irresistible content tailored to your audience's interests, and embracing monetization opportunities like affiliate marketing and sponsored pins. Don't wait any longer. Seize the moment and start monetizing through Pinterest today. To guide you on this exciting path, check out the invaluable tips below and discover how to make Pinterest work wonders for your business. Number 1. Pinterest Creator Program. Get ready to play the most thrilling game of content creation you've ever encountered. In a jaw-dropping twist, Pinterest has unleashed a game-changing program that has creators buzzing with excitement. They're about to reward you for the content that pinners are actively searching for. But hold on to your hats because this program breaks all the rules. It's not about your follower count like those other platforms. Oh no, my friend, this is your chance as a beginner to dive headfirst into the pool of cash waiting for you on Pinterest. But wait, there's more. Pinterest isn't just giving creators a pat on the back and a high five. They're going all in, committing a whopping $20 million to support this incredible initiative. They want to see new and mid-level creators like you monetize their content and turn their wildest dreams into a reality. So how do you jump on this money-making train? It's as easy as a few clicks and a sprinkle of magic. Head over to your profile and keep your eyes peeled for the elusive Creator Hub button. Once you've found it, the doors to your financial future swing wide open. Inside, you'll discover the ultimate playground for creators, the Hub and Earn options. If Earn winks at you, go ahead and click like your bank account depends on it. Spoiler alert, it does. Once you're in, Pinterest will unleash its mystical powers. You'll receive prompts and topics based on what's currently making pinners' hearts skip a beat. Number 2. Set up a business account for monetization advantages. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Pinterest and turn it into a monetization powerhouse for your business? Let's embark on this exciting journey together. First things first, head over to Pinterest.com and create a personal account. It's quick, easy, and free. Once you have your account set up, it's time to take it up a notch and convert it into a business account. Simply click on the 3-dot menu and select Add a Free Business Profile. This unlocks a whole new world of opportunities for you. Now comes the fun part, customizing your business profile. Fill in all the relevant information about your company, from its name and description to your eye-catching logo or profile image. Don't forget to choose a captivating cover photo that truly represents your brand. And of course, include your website URL to drive traffic back to your online domain. To make sure you're reaching the right audience, select appropriate categories that align with your niche. This helps pinners with similar interests discover your content more easily. But wait, there's more. Verify your website to gain access to Pinterest Analytics. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into the performance of your pins, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategy for success. To boost your visibility and improve discoverability, optimize your profile for search. Use relevant keywords in your descriptions and board titles, making it easier for users to find your content through Pinterest's search bar. Number 3. Get sponsored by brands. Okay guys, turbocharge your earnings with Pinterest brand sponsorships. Get ready to supercharge your income with the exciting world of brand sponsorships on Pinterest. In recent years, Pinterest has made it easier than ever to collaborate with brands and turn your pins into profitable partnerships. Here's the deal. You can now work directly with brands and tag their products or services on Pinterest. It's time to level up your game, bloggers, by adding Pinterest sponsorships to your coveted media kit. But that's not all. Pinterest has raised the stakes even higher. When brands are tagged, they have the option to promote your content, giving it a massive exposure boost. It's a win-win scenario. as both the brand and the creator reap the rewards. Plus, your account gets a well-deserved boost in the process. If you haven't already done so, it's high time to add Pinterest partnerships to your list of services as a blogger. This game-changing opportunity opens up new avenues for collaboration and revenue generation. Now, here's the secret sauce: idea pins. These captivating and interactive pins are taking Pinterest by storm. They are the key to unlocking brand partnerships and showcasing your creative prowess. So why wait? Create an idea pin today and present it as a shining example to brands, illustrating the limitless possibilities of working with you. Number 4. Affiliate marketing strategies. Welcome to a world where creativity meets profit, where pins become pathways to success. We will now unveil the unique strategies that will supercharge your affiliate marketing game on the mighty platform of Pinterest. Strategy number 1. Visual storytelling. Harness the power of captivating visuals to tell compelling stories. Pinterest is a visual playground where eye-catching images and stunning graphics reign supreme. Craft visually appealing pins that spark curiosity, inspire action, and leave pinners hungry for more. Strategy number 2. Board mastery. Think of your Pinterest boards as curated galleries, carefully designed to captivate your audience. Create boards that cater to specific interests and niches within your affiliate marketing domain. Be a curator of content, selecting and organizing pins that align with your audience's desires and aspirations. Strategy number 3. Keyword sorcery. In the realm of Pinterest, keywords hold the key to unlocking untapped potential. Infuse your pins, board titles, and descriptions with strategic keywords that align with your audience's search queries. By mastering the art of keyword sorcery, you'll enhance your visibility, attract organic traffic, and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Strategy number 4. Collaborative pinning. Forge partnerships and collaborate with other creators and influencers within your niche. Pinners love discovering fresh content and discovering new creators. By collaborating on group boards or engaging in pin exchanges, you tap into their existing audience, exposing your affiliate offerings to a wider pool of potential buyers. Together, you'll amplify your reach, foster community engagement, and drive conversions. Strategy number 5. Analyze and optimize. Data is your compass in the vast Pinterest landscape. Dive into Pinterest analytics to unlock insights into pin performance, audience demographics, and trending topics. Identify which pins resonate the most, track click-through rates, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Constantly fine-tune and optimize your content based on data-driven decisions, ensuring you stay ahead of the game and maximize your affiliate marketing potential. Number 5. Create sponsored pins. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of Pinterest and turn your creative passion into a lucrative income stream? Let me show you how to make money through sponsored pins on Pinterest. First, build a strong and engaged following by creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Pin regularly and curate boards that reflect your niche and expertise. Next, identify brands that align with your values and have products or services that would interest your audience. Reach out to them or join influencer marketing platforms to explore partnership opportunities. Craft compelling sponsored pins that seamlessly integrate the brand's message with your authentic voice. Tell a story, showcase the benefits, and create a sense of urgency. Make sure your pins are visually appealing and include clear call to action. Promote your sponsored pins to reach a wider audience. Pinterest offers advanced targeting options, allowing you to reach users based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Optimize your campaigns based on performance metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Track the success of your sponsored pins using Pinterest analytics. Monitor engagement, click-through rates, and conversion data to refine your strategy and optimize future campaigns. Number 6. Offer products and services. Are you ready to turn your Pinterest presence into a money-making machine? Well, get ready because I'm about to spill the secrets on how to make money through selling products or services on Pinterest. First things first, you need to find your niche. Think about what you're passionate about and what you excel at. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, personalized fitness coaching, or gourmet baking, find that sweet spot that sets you apart from the rest. Once you've nailed your niche, it's time to create irresistible offerings. or your heart and soul into developing products or services that make people go, wow. Make them unique, valuable, and something your target audience can't resist. Now, let's set the stage for success. Create a Pinterest business account and spruce up your profile with eye-catching visuals and an enticing bio. Think of it as your storefront. You want it to attract and captivate potential customers. Now, it's time to get creative. Design pins that stop users mid-scroll. Use stunning images, compelling descriptions, and smart keywords to make your offerings impossible to ignore. Your goal is to make people drool over what you're selling. But wait, there's more. Building a strong presence is key. Share not only your products or services, but also valuable content related to your niche. Create boards that inspire and educate your audience, establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Let's kick it up a notch. Promote your offerings with a little boost from Pinterest's advertising features. Get your pins in front of a larger audience and watch your sales skyrocket. You can even collaborate with influencers who share your vision and expand your reach even further. Number 7. Become an influencer. To start, focus on building a massive following by connecting with pinners in your niche and engaging with their content. This will help you gain visibility and attract potential customers. Next, ensure that your content is relevant and optimized for search. Use keywords and descriptions that resonate with your target audience and make it easier for them to find your pins. Consider creating or joining group boards where you can collaborate with other influencers and reach a wider audience. This will help increase your exposure and expand your network. Most importantly, create captivating content that grabs attention and stands out from the crowd. Tell a story, showcase the benefits of your products or services, and engage with your audience through visually appealing pins. Finally, stay consistent and active on Pinterest. Regularly pin fresh content, interact with your followers, and respond to comments and inquiries. Well guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the information on making money through Pinterest valuable and inspiring. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll share even more interesting and unique tips and strategies.